In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a category in Outlook. Whether you're new to Outlook or just looking to tidy up your emails and calendar with some helpful organization, categories are a fantastic way to manage your digital life. So let's dive into the process and look at how you can set up a new category in Outlook with ease. First, let's talk about why categories can be useful. In a busy environment where we receive countless emails and meeting requests, categories can help us segment different parts of our lives or work projects into easily accessible colors or labels. They're a simple yet effective way to bring some calm into the chaos. To begin, you'll want to open Outlook and navigate to the section where you want to create your category, whether it be your emails, calendar, or tasks. Now look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Categories. It's important to note that this location might slightly differ depending on your version of Outlook, but generally it's found on the toolbar for easy access. Click on Category, and this will give you a drop-down menu with some default category options. Since our goal here is to make a new category, you'll want to continue by finding and selecting the option labeled New Category. This will bring up a prompt on screen where you can start customizing your category. Once the prompt is open, you'll see fields where you can name your category. Think about what you want to use this category for, whether it be to group specific project emails, highlight tasks related to your home life, or something entirely specific to your needs. Type in a name that makes sense to you. Next, you have the opportunity to choose a color. The color is a fantastic visual cue and will help you quickly identify your emails or appointments later on. Outlook provides a palette of colors to choose from, and you can select whichever one suits you best. The idea here is to use colors strategically so that your workspace is visually intuitive. Once you're satisfied with your setup, you're ready to hit OK or Save, depending on the prompt version you're viewing. This will confirm the creation of your new category. Now, your category is ready for use. Go ahead and apply it to your emails, calendar events, or tasks by selecting the item you want to be categorized. With your email highlighted, click on Category again and choose your newly created category from the drop-down. And there you have it. You've successfully created a category in Outlook. Don't hesitate to create more categories as you see fit. The more organized your digital space, the more efficiently you'll be able to work. If you have any questions or need further help with Outlook, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.